Hello traders, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing good. How has the market been like for you? Well, the market has been tricky to some extent, and if you'll be present in the market, you'll see how the market has been playing. So it's been a funny market, especially last week for me. Most of the profit I made early beginning of the week, I lost them back to the market. So except for the few trades which I'm still holding right now, the crypto trades which I'm still holding right now. So those are the trades which are currently in profit and I'm still holding. And by the way, it seems like I'm not just to be disturbed about the current trades currently. The trades I'm currently holding. Currently, I'm holding BTC. BTC entered at this point. My usual me would have taken profits when I see that it got to this point and is reversing, but somehow I believe that the trade will still continue to go down. So since Friday, right? Since on Friday I entered the trade. So today is Sunday. I'm still holding that. Then BNB, the same thing. I'm still holding BNB. I enter BNB same time with BTC. The same thing applies to the BNB that I'm still holding. Then Solana, I also enter Solana at the same time, but unfortunately, the first trade that I entered hit SL. The first trade I entered here, the same time I entered those of the BTC and BNB, hit SL because Solana became so volatile that it even went further up the charts more than BTC, BNB, and other crypto coins. So it hit SL here. Then when I saw this retracement here, the pullback, normally this is supposed to be bearish entrance position. So because of that, I enter the Solana position here again. So I'm currently holding the new entry. Then meanwhile for GBP USD, I entered this trade before, then I hit SL. The first trade I entered, I took small profit from it here. Then I tried to enter again somewhere here. Then when I saw that, okay, it was already the weekend, so I just took the small profits. I didn't want to hold the currency pairs over the weekend. So the same thing applied to Euro USD. I took small profit. Then when I entered again, when I saw the reversal, then when I saw that it was already weekend, I took the little profit that entered the trade. So most part of the week, which is last week, like I said, most of the trade entered profits. Then I wanted to hold longer, but the market had another plan. So most of the profits were taken back, unless for the crypto coins, which I'm still holding. Yeah. By the way, most of our entries, we use Signals app for entries. So if you are yet to download the Signals app, try and download the Signals app right now from the Play Store. Then you have access to free 20 days signals, accurate signals, by the way. You can download the Signals app, and the app give you the opportunity to get free signals for 20 days. And if you want to auto trade, then you can subscribe for the auto trade. So this is a very good way for you to get more accuracy in the market. So it's one thing for you to understand how to trade, then the Signals app will help you to get accurate entries. Normally, if you are a trader, you need to have good systems which help you to confirm that yes, the entry that you are about to go into in this market, in this trade, you need to have something to have as a confirmation guide. And the Signals app is that trade buddy that you need. So download the Signals app today from the Play Store and start getting accurate entries on your trade and improve your profitability. All right, see you next time. Catch ya.